like 6 p.m. St. Thomas. Hurricane. This is just the outer bands. Stuck back in Hurricane Hole. This is the Hurricane Hole. Okay, and look at these boats swinging around, and that's being blowing pretty good. Just think what it's like in the hurricane right in over in Anguilla where the hurricane is. This is just the outer bands.